He's tired. Pocket full of posy. Ashes, ashes.
Feeling on the road, Connie. Feeling on the woozy one. We're back. Take pictures. Come get me. I'm doing on the woozy one.
Let Kylie sing it.
Right there. Come on, ring on the roses. Ring on the roses. Package on the poles. Ashes, ashes, apple.
Down! I have news. No, I'm getting dizzy. Grandma falls down, I can't get up.
She just turned 2 years old. Could you marry her when she's 2.5?
Can we turn the other way now?
I'm tired too. Let's do something.
No.
Yeah, let's read a book.
All right.
Yeah. Thank goodness.
Just did that 10 minutes ago. Pick out a book.
Where's your book?
Something like with 3 pages long. Oh look, Mommy's here. She'll play ringer.
The books are not in here, are they?